Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Cuddle, and for this video, we're going to be working with the 3-section staff. So go ahead and grab your staff, and let's get to work. Now, for this one, we're actually going to start spinning. And this is one of the things that I teach people first when they start learning how to use the 3-section staff. But it's a great warm-up and a good exercise to develop your martial arts altogether. So what this is going to do is really work the shoulders, the forearms, your grip strength, even the lats a little bit, because you have to keep your entire body connected at this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the center section and we're going to start first with the grip with the thumb pointing towards the outer section. Later on, we'll change our grip over so the thumb points towards the inside. Now, all that we're going to work with is just one open section, and then we're going to hold the other cudgel. Okay? Now, a simple way of doing this is grabbing with our thumb pointing in towards the center section, and then we're just going to bring this right next to the hip as if you're just going to hold it right here. This will also keep us using the waist and the hip to do this. Now, this is actually a very simple propeller spin. So we're going to start with our thumb pointing outward. You want to go to a cat stance position and then just keep this moving in front of your body. Okay? It doesn't matter which direction you start, go in both directions and then do 10 circles. Okay? So I start here and I want to keep it nice and close to my body as I do this. Okay? From there, I switch directions. As I do that, I'm going to change my grip over, so now I have my thumb pointing inward instead of outward, and I'm going to do the same thing, trying to keep the staff relatively flat next to my hip. Okay? Again, right here, I can either direction, and then the other direction. It's a simple exercise. Do as many as you can, and it really will develop your wrist strength that's necessary for 3-section staff. Now again, so you can see from this angle, I want to try not to let the staff angle outward as it's spinning. This is an unbalanced spin, and I don't want to end up hitting myself. That's how people end up getting hit with this one. So again, attach it to the hip, and then when you do this spin, you're going to try to keep it as much upward, up and down as possible as you do this. Okay, and then again, changing the grip, same thing. And then other direction. I know it's not a very fancy exercise, but to developing the grip strength, the shoulder strength, and of course the connection for the entire body to drive this will pay off even in your own strikes. Okay? If you have any questions on this one, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. We will be doing more 3-section staff coming up. Alright? Till next time, this is Sifu Cuddle.
Bam! Fist with a forearm.